George, wake up. What, Peppa? I think it's the truck parade today. Let's go wake Mummy and Daddy, shall we? Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig, wake up!
What is it, Peppa and George?
It's the truck parade outside today. Come on, let's go downstairs. I think all our friends are outside. Mummy, Daddy, I think the truck parade is about to start.
I don't know. Is it?
Hello, I'm Mrs. Rabbit. Welcome to the truck parade. We've got many great trucks. Here comes our first one now. It's a UPS truck. They deliver packages in the mail. Wow, I like UPS trucks. Me too. Next up, we have a truck from a company called Dunkin' Donuts. Do you have any idea what they potentially sell? I know, donuts. What's a donut? I am Edmund Elephant, and I know that donuts are dough in a circle with frosting on them. How do you know that, Edmund? I'm a clever clogs. Now we have another delivery truck. It's from FedEx.
Ooh, do you have my package?
I don't think so. This is just a truck parade.
Oh, I was hoping to get my new book, How to Be an Expert at Concrete.
We have another FedEx truck now.
Does it have my book?
It still doesn't, Daddy Pig. Here comes a little fire truck. Ooh, fire truck. That was fun. I think this truck is from a famous movie. Do any of you know the movie? Because I haven't seen it.
Ooh, ghost catchers.
I think that's right, Daddy Pig. Here's another UPS truck. Wow, UPS trucks are cool. Here's a WB Mason truck. I wonder what they sell. I don't know.
And here's a mail truck. Does it have my book?
I still don't think it does. Here's another WB Mason truck. We still don't know what they do. Here's a truck from a store. It's called Target. Wow, I don't think we have that here. Here is a garbage truck. Wow, it's moving. Do you want to take a ride in the garbage truck? Yeah, let's get in. Whee! Oh, we fell out. And now I'm stuck. There I am. Whoa, it's a monster truck that looks like a famous TV show car. Wow. And here's a big car. Oh, I could almost fit in it. But you can't drive, George. Oh, right. Here's an old-timey car. Wow, that's cool. And a taxi. At least it looks like a taxi. I've driven in taxis before. I know. We went to the airport with you. Here's another famous TV show car. Wow, TV shows are cool. I wish I was in one. What would your TV show be called, Susie? I think it would be called, Susie Sheep. Here's a truck with animals on it. Wow! here's a space rocket. Wow, space! I bet one day I could jump so high I could fly up to space. Like this. Whee! Nope, I didn't reach space. Hey, where'd that dresser come from? Let's go put it back up. Here's a big semi-truck. Wow! And here's a fire truck, monster truck. Wow, that's probably if they need to put out a big fire. There's two more left. Do you know this one? It's a dump truck. And finally, the last one, a police car. Wow, I wish Peggy and Pandora Panda were here to see this. And look what it does. Care to see, Peppa? Wow, it lights up and has a siren. That's the end of the truck parade. Did you kids have fun? Yeah, we did. Wee! Yay! Wee! Okay, we hope you had fun. Let's go home.